Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. This is our next topic, longitude. Longitudes, also known as meridian, are imaginary lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole. They too are numbered like latitudes. According to the international agreement, the longitude passing through the Royal Observatory at Greenwich in England, United Kingdom, is expected as 0 degree longitude. It is called the prime meridian. The prime meridian is the starting point from measuring longitude. Other latitudes are drawn to the north to south, and other longitudes are drawn to the east and west of the prime meridian. The diagram here shows the prime meridian at 0 degree longitude. The meridian of longitude to the east of the prime meridian are numbered from 1 degree east up to 180 degree east. Similarly, the meridians of longitude to the west of the prime meridian are numbered from 1 degree west up to 1 degree west. The prime meridian 2 divides the earth into two equal parts. The area between 0 degree longitude and 180 degree east is called the eastern hemisphere. The area between 0 degree longitude and 180 degree west is called the western hemisphere. However, 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same longitude and is known as the 180 degree from the international date line. Okay, the distance between two longitudes is maximum at the equator. The distance decreases as one move towards the pole where the longitudes meet. Now some important points. Okay, location as the place where a particular point or object exists. Location is an important term in geography as places have to be pointed out in maps and globes. Okay, there are two types of location, relative location and absolute location. Relative location is a description of how a place is related to other places. It can help analyze how to understand places are connected. Directions such as north, south, east, and west help to describe where one place is in relation to another. Absolute location of a place is its exact place on earth, often identified in terms of latitudes and longitudes. Okay, next, latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines drawn on map and globes to easily locate places on the earth. Latitude is the angular distance north to south of the equator, an imaginary circle around the earth halfway between the north pole and the south pole. And longitude is the angular distance east or west of the prime meridian, an imaginary line running from north to south through Greenwich, England. Okay, understand? Now we are talking about grid. Longitudes and latitudes crisscross each other to form a network of lines known as a grid. The point in the grid where latitudes and longitudes intersect each other is called a coordinate. Coordinates help us to locate any place or point on earth. Okay, now let us understand this with the help of the map given above. In this map, the columns are labeled on the top with the letter of A, B, C, D. The rows are labeled with the number of 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. For example, Ravi's house is located in the grid box square formed in column A, row 4. Okay. The name of the grid box and square is A4. Similarly, Makhija house is located at B2. Now, find out in which grade Panache shopping mall and Ravi's school are located. Okay, and example, Ravi's school is located D2. जो रवि का है वो स्कूल कहाँ पर लोकेटेड है, D2 कॉलम में. एंड पनाची शॉपिंग मॉल A1 कॉलम A रो 1. Okay, understand? Thank you and have a nice day.